Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga ulit si Da at nagbabalik ako sa panibagong video kung saan lalarin ko yung kiosk. So, wala pa akong ideya sa game na to. Subukan ko pa lang, lalarin ko pa lang siya ngayon. So, ready na ba kayo? So, it's the time to play this game! Day 1, anong gagawin dito? Alam ko horror game to pero mag-serve ata tayo. Grab. Ah! Uy! Angas! Hindi tayo mag-dart. Wait. Wait. Hey, isa pa. Uy, infinite knife. Okay. Angas. So. Hello. Hey, kid. It's Michael, your boss. Shoutout kay Mike sa kaibigan ko. Just want to say, good luck on your first day here. Last guy didn't last very long, but I hope you will. He was reporting some paranormal activities in the area. And one day, he just stopped showing to work. I didn't hear from him again. He even left some notes on the walls. Just ignore them. If you need help with any recipe, you can check it out in our cookbook on the table. And if you need any ingredient, there is always more in the storage room. We close at 12 midnight. Don't forget to lock the door. Okay, noted, Boss Michael. So, open. Okay, hot dog. Ano meron tayo dito? Soda, beer. Wait. Cheese package. Burger package. Oh, okay. Hi, what's your order? Hey, I didn't see you around here. You must be the new guy. I don't usually go alone at night like this, but I'm hungry. Can I get one plain hot dog, please? Sure. Hot dog lang pala eh, wait. Gusto mo hot dog, plain hot dog? Oh. That is not what I ordered. Sabi ko plain na hotdog lang. Okay. Tignan natin to close. So. Ito, hatiin ba natin? Hindi. Paano ba ito i-unwrap? Hatiin ba natin to? Hatiin. Yan. Oh! Galing. Be careful with that! Sorry. Okay, yung hotdog. Drop natin dyan, nalaglag. Itong isa nalaglag to. So, lagyan natin dyan. Ang recipe. Coffee, cut hotdog. Oh, yung hotdog, bread, tapos lettuce, I guess. So, where's the bread? Where's the bread? Hotdog ba? Oh yeah. Wait, saan natin ito lalagay? Dito ba? Uy! Wala! Ah! Uy! Pambira! Pumasok yung hotdog! Ba't kasi pinasukan ng hotdog? Pambihirang yan. Okay, dito. Layan natin sa mga hotdog na yan. Wait lang. Yan. Lagyan natin itong hotdog. Ayaw! Ang bira. Ito. So, check natin. Raw hotdog. May mga knife. Oh, cook hotdog. Okay, so lagay na natin dyan. Okay. Ay. Forgot. May kulang pa ng lettuce. Told ya. Okay, saan yung knife? Wait lang. Wala ko ng knife dito. Oh! Haha! So, lagay natin dyan. Okay? Yun yung order mo. I asked without lettuce. Ah, saan? Kumbira. Hindi ka nga nagsabi. Wala ngayon. Okay, gagawa ulit. kami sa inyo. Buy one take one naman yan. I mean, hindi to buy one take one. Dito kagaya ng Angels. Pero sige. Lutuan kita ng isa pa. Ng arte mo. Tagal. Ayun. Okay. Ayun na. Pinasukan na ng hotdog. Bro. Thank you so much. It looks delicious. Wala akong pake. Di ko tinanong. Here, keep the change. Well, salamat. Arigato gozaimasu. Take. Flash ba talaga ta? Wait. Sino yan? Sino yan dyan? Yan dyan, ha? Labas ka, magpakita ka. Ah! Ang bira. Okay. Magpakita ka. Boss. Oo, totoo nga po yung sinasabi ni sino nga yung lalaki yun yung nag-apply dito tapos di na pumasok, naging unemployed na ulit. Ano gusto mo, ha? Ano? Tuntukan? Hey man, give me a burger with cheese. Okay. Burger with cheese. So, hindi. May burger naman dito. Burger with cheese. Hindi. Kailangan talaga wrap natin siya. Kuha tayo ng isa. Nalagyan dyan. Tapos bun. May burger bun ba dito? Cutlet. What is this? Oh, yung kailangan yan. Bun ng burger yon. Gotcha. So, lagay natin dito. Pwede ba hotdog? Hindi pwede. Nga pala, nakalimutan ko, kailangan pala bantayan. Tensya na, bro. Kalimutan ko, kailangan pala bantayan yan. Hanip na yan. Kaya bantayan natin. Oh. Yun na. So, ano pa yun? Yun lang, di ba? Cheese is missing. I forgot. Sensya na. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sensya na. Ang bira naman, oo. Ito na, unwrap natin ulit dito. Hindi. Dito ka lang. Malapit ka lang. Kuha agad tayo ng bun. Burger bun. Cook burger. Okay, tas anda yun, cheese. Okay. Tatasin konsumo natin sa kuryente pag di mo sinara yan eh. Lagyan natin yung cheese. So, wait lang. So yung kutsilyo, knife. Oh! Ito nga. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, cheese. Ito. You're a lifesaver. I already like you more than the other guy. Bro, natakot yun. I'm built diff, hindi ako takot, no? Here you go. I left a little tip there for you. Okay. Salamat. Arigatou gozaimasu. So, don't you dare na mawawala ulit ng ilaw. Because I'm gonna off to my work na. Please. Uy. Stop. Give me coffee, burger, and hot dog. Both with only ketchup. Noted. Hurry up. I have places to be. Wala akong pake. Maghintay ka. Customers always not right. Okay, lagay natin doon. Burger package. Lagay natin. Ay, natin din wrap. So, ano yun? Burger, hotdog, tapos ano yung isa? Soda? Okay. Tama ba? That is not what I ordered. Beer? Diba? Di ko alam. Burger. Automatically, luto. Asan yung hotdog? Cook burger, wala pa. So, Yung cook hotdog dito. Kainis ka eh, hmm? Hmm? Cook hotdog, wala pa. Kailangan talaga bantayan to eh. Okay, dito. Wala akong pake. Pwede ba natin patayin yung kalan? Bawal. Oh, meron pala. So, but with ketchup pala. Yan siya na. E to use. Oh, Oh. Wait. Oh, mali! Oh, mali na naman! Ayoko na nga! Dami mong alam. I didn't order this. Wala, saan yung ketchup? Bro, he took my ketchup. Balik mo yan, balik mo. Be careful with that. Okay. Bun. Yung ketchup. Bro, give me coffee, burger. Okay, coffee pala. Coffee. Baso dito. Tapos, coffee capsule. Soda, lettuce, hotdog package, ketchup. Okay. So, throw. So, na. Hindi. Okay. Na. Then, cup lid. Okay na. And, yun na. Salamat. Thanks, man. You're the best. I'm always the best. You did a great job. Kahit na ganun ginawa ko sa kanya. See? Customers always right, sabi ko kanina. Wait. Who's that behind you? Huwag ka manakot, bro. Papangahan kita. Yung nasa likod ko? Si burger na sunog. O si hotdog. Hi. I love the smell of rain. What's that? One hot dog with lettuce and ketchup. And a cold soda, please. Well, here you go. Wait a second. Wait lang. Ano yung order mo? One hot dog with lettuce and ketchup. One hot dog and soda. Okay, one hot dog. So, hindi, pwede ba natin lutuin to na yung may kasama ng ano? Kaya natin maluto kasi bilis maluto eh. Pero pag binabantay mo, ang tagal. Pinatayo mo ang aking hotdog. Ako pa. Tapos, coffee. Soda. Nagkamali. Doon ako nagkamali. Okay. Thanks. Hey, can I ask you something? Sure. Aren't you scared working here alone after hearing what happened to the last guy? What happened to him? You don't know? No. He was my friend. They say he went crazy. Started seeing things. The last time I saw him, I could really see fear in his eyes. Anyways, gotta go. Okay, bye. Yung isang lalaki, di nagbayad. Yung nagsabi na, sino yung nasa likod mo? Sabay takbo, di nagbayad. Ano yung parang mga tumutugog lang sa kwek-kwek ng sobra tapos sakto yung ibabayad na sinabi nilang 5 pero sumobra talaga. Tumuog sila ng 10. Ganyan yung ginagawa ng lalaki kanina eh. Okay? Hi. My wife just left me. Oo. Well, condolence. I mean, ko alam kung anong dapat sabihin ko. Well, cheer up bro. I need something to kill the pain. Give me 5 beers. Cold ones. Okay, the cold one. Okay, bawal siya i-drop. Here you go. Wait lang. 5 beers, 5 beers. That's pang 5. Here you go, sir. Thanks. See you around. See you around. Thank you. Thank you so much. End shift. So, tapos na end shift. Day 2 na tayo. Ano to? 5 nights at restaurant. I mean, 5 nights at in kitchen. 5 nights at kitchen. Oh. Ikaw na naman. Lumayo ka dito, pre. Ha? Matataga kita. Be careful with that. Wala akong pake. Lumayas ka dyan. Give me a hot dog and cold beer. Hey, it's you again. Last time you ran off, you didn't pay. Oh, diba sabi ko na eh. I won't serve you again unless you pay. Did you just refuse to serve your master? Master? Yung sasabi mong master. Huh? You made a huge mistake. You will pay for this. Okay. Nandito tayo sa kanto. Sa kanto lang tayo. Huge mistake. Ba't ano ba ginawa ko? Ikaw may ginawang mali ah. Galing mo mang-manipulate ah. Ikaw may ginawang mali. Di ka nagbayad. Lakas mo bro. Nagulat ako. Taragis nan. Did you know that crocodiles can stick their tongues out? They also can chew. So they eat rocks to help them digest. Well, alam ko yon. Like, kinakain nila yung rock para mabusog agad. Tama ba ako? Can I get 2 burgers? One with lettuce, ketchup, and mustard. And one with cheese, lettuce, and ketchup. Okay. One with lettuce. Burger with 1 lettuce. Ba't parang dumi pa rin yung kusina mo, bro? Naka-date ka na. Ah! I'm done with these jump scares, bro. Ano ulit order mo? Okay, I got 2 burgers, 1 with lettuce, ketchup, and mustard. Burger with lettuce, ketchup, mustard. Okay. Cheese, lettuce, and lettuce. Oh, so wala pa yung ano, burger. Ano ba? Burger package. 2 burgers naman ito, 2 patties, I guess. Tama ba? Okay. Oh! Ah, tumalsik. Ketchup with mustard. Tama ba? Tama yan, ako pa. Saan isa? 1 lettuce, ketchup with mustard. Cheese, lettuce, and ketchup. Okay, walang mustard. And ketchup. Oh. Well, here you go. Oh, cheese is missing. Can I get 2 burgers, lettuce, ketchup? Oh, with cheese, lettuce, and ketchup. Okay. Cheese. Kuha tayo dito ng cheese. Okay, walang paramdam yan. Alam natin yan. So, saan yung knife? Ay, hindi. Hotdog yan. Knife, we need knife. Yata! Well, I'm done with this game. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood ninyo. Okay, bantayan natin. Bun. Cheese, tapos ketchup. Ayan. What? Oh, saan yung isang burger? The heck? Isang burger. Kuha nga tayo dito. Burger package. Birang yan. Kuha tayo dito. Tsaka. Wait natin. Na maluto. Bantayan lang natin. Okay. Bun. Tapos. Ano ba yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Kaya walang kamali. Pambira pa ulit-ulit. Cheese, lettuce, ketchup. Tama na ba to? Thanks. Salamat. Natapos din. Thanks. Smells like a good burger. Well, thank you. Right. Can I have my knife? So, rin natin ulit yan dyan. Uy, sino naman ulit? Hi. Beer and hot dog with mustard and ketchup, please. So, bantayan natin ulit. Pambira, dyan lang nagkakamali, nasusunog yung hotdog na niluto ko, yung patty. Yun. Okay na, okay. Trap lang natin. Tapos, yan. Okay, ketchup. As mustard. And also, beer. I guess. Ano ba? Beer. Saan yung beer? Where's the freaking beer? Where's the Yeah, here you go. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Thanks. Did you hear about the guy that died in a car crash yesterday? I heard his wife left him for another dude. Oh, yung kinomfort ko, yung bumili ng 5 beer. Nag-drive siya. Police found alcohol in his blood. Sabi ko na lasing Natata. Don't drink and drive, I guess. That's right. Take care. Salamat, you too, take care. Ay, meron na, wait lang. Wait lang po, saglit lang.
1 coffee, please. I have study all night.
Oh, so magre-review ka. Siguro midterm o finals yun Midterm exam or finals. Well, here you go.
That was fast. Thank you so much. I've heard some strange stories about this place. Are they true? Do you also see them?
See who?
Never mind. I have to go. It's getting late. Keep the change.
Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Hotdog? Oh, wait lang. Hey dude, what's up? 1 burger with cheese and a cold beer. Knife.
Watcha!
As kailangan bantayan to kasi masusunog. Okay. Tama ba? 1 burger cheese? 1 burger with cheese. Okay. Gets. With beer, I guess. Beer. Ang beer na to, ang pag-ibig ko. Thanks. Here you go. Stay safe. You too, stay safe. Arigato gozaimasu. Okay. Again. Okay, wala na. Bira talaga ang jumpscare yan. Hindi ko na kaya. Ayoko na nga mag-shift. Pati ako yung gagaya ko dun sa lalaki nagtrabaho dito na babaliw Wala nang customer. And shift na natin. Talk. Wanna hear a joke about pizza? Nah bro, thanks. Never mind, it's too cheesy. See? Narinig niya ako. Ta. Get me a coffee. And a hot dog with ketchup. Okay, hot dog with a ketchup. Ang dami palang hotdog dito. Okay, bantayan natin yan. Ay! Bantayan natin yan kasi masusunog yan pambira kasi yan. Hotdog is cooked. And bun. With, give me a coffee with ketchup, okay? With ketchup. Here you go. So, here you go. Thanks. Here you go. So, thank you. Ayoko na ulit please. Okay, end shift na natin. Whew. Day 3. Oh, meron pala tayong coffee capsule dito so di na natin kailangan pumunta doon. Ta.
Can I get a soda and a burger with everything?
Okay. Ayan. So, with everything. And everything.
Miss.
Pambira ka, boy. Okay. Tapag natin ulit. Raw burger. Akala ko short game lang to. Putik, ang tagal pala. So, bun with mustard. Hindi, lagyan mo natin mustard, ketchup. Ayun na.
Thank you. I don't know if I'm paranoid or I watch too many scary movies, but I have feeling like somebody's following me around. A lot of creepy people around here. Be careful.
Well, thank you. You too. Be careful. Okay. Answer. Hello? Is that you, Boss Mike? I see you. Who is this? Where are you calling? Sleep with your eyes open. Hey man. Hey, what's up? Can I get 2 cups of coffee and 1 hot dog with lettuce and mustard? Sure. Yan, sakto lang sa paglingon ko. Lettuce with mustard. Here we go. That's 2 cup of coffee. So, dito na tayo kukuha. Dito na tayo punta doon. Tatarantado ako nitong game na to. Pwede mo itong gamitin itong knife eh. See? Pwede ka mag-dart dito pag bored ka eh. Here you go. Did you know that butterflies drink blood if there is an option? Is that true? Or a myth? I always found them creepy. Well, nung sinabi mo sa akin, naging crispy na. Here you go. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. So, hold the knife. Okay, I'm done with these jump scares. Please. Oh. Okay. Hi. Oh, please, tama na kung sino ka man. Sabi nagpaparamdam na yan. Ayoko na dito. Literal na nagpaparamdam. 2 hot dogs with lettuce and mustard. 2 hot dogs with lettuce and mustard. Cook hot dog, lettuce, and mustard. Here we go. Thanks. Police found his body, by the way. I'm, the guy that worked here. My friend. Report says he was stabbed over 50 times. His body was in some bushes near the park, not far away from here. He was left to rot in this rain. He didn't deserve what happened to him. No one does. So, ibig sabihin, siguro yung nagmumulto dito, I guess. Nagmumulto dito, yun yung kaibigan niya, yung nagtrabaho dito. Tapos yung lalaki kanina, hindi nagbayad, siya yung pumatay. That's my theory. That's my theory, guys. Keep the change and stay safe. Yeah, thanks. Ayoko na. I'm enough with these jump scares. Oh. Hello?
Oh my! You see them too, don't you?
What are you talking about?
I can see the fear on your face. You should quit this job. It's not worth it.
Tata.
Give me beer. Maybe you should get one too.
Okay.
Thanks. And remember, you're not alone in this. I also see them sometimes. Stay safe.
Okay. Thank you. I'm enough. Is enough. Uy, ano naman. Okay. I have another good one joke. Okay. I have another good one for you. Why did the hot dog marry his wife? Because she's a bun? I mean, why did the hot dog marry his wife? Because his wife is a bun? Tata. Because he had great butt. Okay, lagay natin dito. Burger bun. With beer with cheese. Cheers! Thank you! Have a good day! So I'm done with these jump scares. Please, tama na, please. Please, I'm begging. Ngayon lang ulit ako magbibeg. So, punta agad tayo dito. Ayoko na. Ayoko na, please. Oh. Open. Oh. Mapag tayo? Game made by Vivi. Yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope na appreciate nyo itong short video na to. Well, puro siya jump scare. And ang theory ko nga talaga is yung siguro yung kaibigan ng isang lalaki, pinatay nga with 50 stab. Yung lalaking nag-ano sa atin na sabi niya pagsisisihan daw natin. Then also, siguro nagmumulto yung isang guy na pinatay niya. Then yun sa last na bid na nangyari kanina, nagpadala siya ng bomba and sumabog. Naka-gift. Siguro yun nga, baka yun nga yung theory ko. So, yun lang. Na-appreciate ko tong game na to. Maganda siya. I love this game. Well, so much. So, yun lang. Kita-kits tayo sa panibagong video. And maraming salamat. I hope na-appreciate nyo. See you sa next video. Bye-bye!